15 stories in this roundup: Nemotron 3 Ultra, Gemma 412 billion, 7 Microsoft MAI models, MiniMax M3 with million token context, GPT 5.5 and Codex on Bedrock, Codex role plugins, the HFCLI for agents, Holo 3.1 for local desktop control, Mellum2 from JetBrains, Anthropic defending code, Claude containment, EVA-Bench 2.0, GPT-Rosalind, MITRE AI threat mapping, and Muse Spark on watch. Now we are going to walk through everyone in detail. Let's get started. NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra, a 550 billion parameter sparse MOE orchestrator with 1 million token context and up to 5 times throughput on Blackwell. Built for long-running agents, not single-shot chat. Deploy via Hugging Face, NIM, VLLM or build.nvidia.com. Pair with Nemotron content safety for production guardrails. Google Gemma 412B, encoder-free multimodal, vision and native audio without separate encoders. Runs around 16 gigabytes locally, Apache 2 license. Multi-token prediction drafters cut decode latency. Grab weights on Hugging Face, Llama, VLLM or Google Cloud Model Garden. Microsoft shipped 7 MAI models at Build 2026, Thinking 1, Code 1 Flash, Image 2.5, Transcribe 1.5 and Voice 2 variants. Frontier, tuning on org workflow traces, Excel-tuned MAI, matched GPT 5.4 at roughly 10 times efficiency in Microsoft tests. Available in Azure Foundry and OpenRouter, MiniMax M3. Open weight combo of frontier coding, 1 million context, and multimodal desktop control. MSA sparse attention claims 1/20th per token compute at 1 million tokens. 59% on EVA-Bench Pro. API via MiniMax code and token plan. Amazon Bedrock now has GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, and Codex generally available. Enterprise routing with IAM, VPC endpoints, Bedrock guardrails, and CloudTrail. Multi-vendor routing beside Anthropic and Titan on the same platform. Plan model IDs and guardrail parity before migration. OpenAI Codex crossed 5 million weekly users with 6 role plugins, 62 apps, and 110 skills across analytics, sales, design, and banking. Sites gives shareable workspace URLs, in-place annotations, Titan review loops, template for internal agent marketplaces, and plugin directories. Hugging Face launched the HFCLI for agents, detects agent environments, tags hub requests, and claims up to 6 times fewer tokens than curl on complex hub tasks. Run HF skills add for Codex, Cursor, or Claude code. Default hub tool for agent loops at scale. Holo 3.1. Quantist computer use weights at 35B, active 3B in FP8, NVFP4, and Q4 GGUF. OS world within 2 points of BF16 with on-device inference, no cloud exfiltration. Run inside VMs or containment, do not point at production desktops. JetBrains Mellum2, 12B total, 2.5B active MOE, Apache 2. Train text plus code from scratch. Sub-agent for routing, RAG and validation. More than 2 times faster inference than similar open models. Pairs with frontier orchestrators like Nemotron or MAI Thinking 1. Anthropic open-sourced the defending code reference harness. Recon, find, verify, report, patch with Claude code skills. C and C++ reference uses Docker plus Asan. Autonomous mode needs gvisor. Works on Bedrock, Vertex, and Azure Claude deployments. Anthropic's containment architecture caps blast radius across Claude AI, Claude code, and cowork. Human in the loop fails at scale. 93% approve rates. So sandboxes, VMs, and egress controls are the durable layer. High capability models stay withheld when blast radius is too large. ServiceNow and Hugging Face released EVA-Bench data 2.0, 213 scenarios, 121 tools, airline, ITSM, and healthcare HRSD domains. Validated solvable against GPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and Claude Opus 4.6, mighty license on Hugging Face datasets. OpenAI GPT-Rosalind adds agentic coding for medicinal chemistry, genomics, and wet lab troubleshooting under EVA-Bench. Research preview via trusted access only, not a general API. Vertical codex plus plugin plus executed pipeline pattern for regulated domains. Anthropic mapped 832 banned accounts to MITRE AI. Medium plus risk actors rose from 33 to 56%. AI shifts post-compromise work. More discovery, less phishing. Update SOC and Purple Team playbooks. MITRE gaps remain for AI tool chaining. Meta Muse Spark API remains on watch. June 2026. Target with press reports of delays. No GA API, model card or SLA on Metadata AI as of early June. Do not hard code production dependencies. I hope you liked this video. If it helped, like, share, and subscribe for the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching.